Also, I'm really bothered with some clients. They're saying आप हमें report ना दें और इसके इतने पैसे कम कर दें.
Really?
And I was so frustrated कि मैंने अभी last week एक client को बोला कि I'm बहुत of course polite way में कि ये मेरी सब्जी की दुकान नहीं है कि मैं 1 किलो कम कर दूंगी तो
सही बात है.
even in this situation or not, I always try to check in with the person, not the role. And I always try to celebrate the effort instead of the outcome. Of course, outcome is to be
Right, but the effort has gone to waste, right?
yes, but I still appreciate them so that उनका वो low ना हो जाए कि वो हमने इतनी
I
मेहनत की.
think मैंने और बरीना ने भी event management में काम किया है.
Really, you are also an event manager. Huh?
My mom still runs that.
No way.
thingy.
What is it called?
B events.
B from Barino.
Yes.
All right, not from B.
Even my parents are obsessed with me.
Let's take everyone through the journey of the first time when a new client is calling us till the time the work gets executed, right? Let's go through that journey for both social media, and please chime in आपस में. I think that's important for people who are starting new agencies or running an agency to see what our format is and maybe where we could improve and maybe where they could learn from us.
I agree. I think this is something that I find really amazing about Hapa. And I'm not just saying this because I work here, but because बहुत सारी agencies में मैंने देखा ये मसला है कि एक project manager नहीं होता जिसको बाकी लोग report करते हैं. And for the person who the project manager is linked to plus the entire team, उन दोनों के लिए एक बैरियर बीच में बहुत ज़रूरी है. दूसरी बात कि हमारा प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट का प्रोसेस जो है वो ये है कि एक क्लाइंट आता है क्वेरी के लिए, वो हमसे कॉल पे बात करता है. वी फर्स्ट हैव अ डिस्कवरी कॉल विद देम. थ्रू दैट डिस्कवरी कॉल वी अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट देयर entire project is, what they want from us, how we can help them. We understand all of those things and then we jot them down. We send them an email, an intro email, which introduces Hapa, which introduces me as a project manager, has links to our socials, also has portfolios attached to it, and the minutes of meetings. उसके बाद हम डिस्कशन करते हैं कि प्रपोजल में स्कोप ऑफ वर्क एग्जैक्टली क्या होना चाहिए. स्कोप ऑफ वर्क में सिर्फ आपका स्कोप ऑफ वर्क नहीं जॉट डाउन होता, उसमें आपकी टाइमलाइंस भी होती हैं, उसके साथ उसकी कॉस्टिंग भी होती है और वो डिलीवरेबल्स भी होते हैं जो हम आपको दे रहे हैं उसमें. एंड देन द प्रपोजल गोज आउट टू द क्लाइंट. once the client okays the proposal, for branding what we do is we take a 70% advance payment. Then the work starts.
And why do you think? Why do you take 70% advance? Why
I
not
think that's
30%, 40%, 50%?
I think it's a very smart move of taking 70% advance, and I think ये आपने काफी experience के बाद की होगी ये चीज, because I think people usually after getting the work done, they sometimes don't give you the payment at all. They disappear, they ghost you, they completely vanish like they never existed. And they never pay you. So I think आपका जितना काम, जितना टाइम, जितना आपका रिसर्च प्रोसेस, ये सब जो पीछे लगता है वो आई थिंक वो क्लाइंट को नहीं समझ में आता कि हम कितनी रिसर्च और कितना हमारा एक पूरा प्रोसेस है जो हम फॉलो करते हैं.
How much it costs us to do
yes,
this?
the time, the energy, the effort, the resources.
And you think in Karachi and Lahore, I know you've been dying to say this, but
That's a favorite question.
आपके ख्याल में कराची और लाहौर के अंदर पेमेंट लोग फर्क तरीके से देते हैं?
Yes.
या कितना लेवल डिफरेंस है
I
प्रोफेशनलिज्म
think
का?
generally professionalism कराची में बहुत solid है, बहुत solid है.
क्या वजह है इसकी? Why do you think that is?
I think because कराची में
Is it
बहुत
just that we're from Punjab or is there more to it?
I think because कराची शुरू से एक business hub
We will
रहा
get
है.
cancelled after this.
Yeah.
Oh, I hope not. I hope not. But कराची में शुरू से because it's been a business hub for a very long time, उधर बहुत सारे different ethnicities हैं, different तरीके के लोग आते हैं और शुरू से I think from our primary schools हमें ये चीज़ सिखाई जाती है कि जो भी different तरीके का इंसान आ रहा है या different religion से आ रहा है, caste से आ रहा है, कहीं से भी आ रहा है, आपने उसके साथ उसी तरह रहना जिस तरह आप अपने घर में सबके साथ रहते हैं.
और ये चीज़ आपको इवन फ्रॉम द शॉपकीपर्स हु सेलिंग यू समथिंग आपको पता लगता है.
Yes.
इन कराची की वो आपका पूरा एक्सपीरियंस ही फ़र्क होता है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, बिकॉज शुरू से ही आपको इसी चीज समझाई जाती है.
ज़्यादा पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं बेसिकली आप लोग.
I wouldn't say कि ज्यादा पढ़े लिखे
Well,
हैं.
my mom's from Karachi and I definitely think and she definitely thinks it.
नहीं, आई थिंक अब तो एजुकेशन डिपेंड्स ऑन यू.
Yeah.
क्या आप चीन जाके पढ़ना चाहते हैं, आप चीन जाके पढ़ लें. बट आई थिंक इट्स अबाउट हाउ यू प्रेजेंट योर सेल्फ. और स्कूल्स में आई थिंक यहाँ पे ये चीज़ नहीं सिखाई जाती कि आपने सिर्फ पढ़ना नहीं है, उसके साथ साथ और 50 चीज़ें हैं जो आपने सीखनी है. लोगों के साथ डील किस तरह करना है, प्यार से किस तरह पेश आना है, व्हेन डू यू नीड टू assert yourself. और शुरू में ज़रूरत नहीं है assert करने की अपने आप
Right.
को. एंड आपको बिला वजह किसी से बदतमीजी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, किसी के ऊपर से आने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एंड पैसों की लेन देन में भी इट्स वेरी क्लियर कि भाई मैंने आपसे चीज़ ली है, आपसे सर्विस ली है, मैं आपको उसके लिए पे करूँगी. और कराची में आपको आई थिंक ज़्यादातर जगहों पे ये बात कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. वो आपको खुद ही पूरी पेमेंट पहले ही कर देते हैं कि अच्छा ठीक है, आपको मैं पेमेंट कर रहा हूँ, आप काम संभाल लीजिए.
I mean, you're absolutely right. Even as an agency, we've hardly had problems Karachi की payments के साथ ज़्यादातर लाहौर में. हम project management के बारे में बात करते हैं. I also want to ask कि आपकी भी journey social media clients के साथ is it the same of project management or is it different?
Initial process जो है वो same है. Once the client is locked, we send them in like onboarding process होता है हमारा उनके साथ, या एक onboarding meeting होती है if they're not in Lahore. So we'll have like an online meeting with them. उसके अंदर हम उनके साथ timelines share
So,
करते हैं.
sorry to cut you. I just want to ask you, for example, there's some, and we get a lot of these clients जो 5-6 साल से अपना social media run कर रहे हैं, but they want to completely, have a fresh start.
Revamp.
They've gone from one agency to another, to another, to another, to another, right? So, what makes you as a project manager convince them? Because majority of the time, which at least something which I have seen, is कि उनको मसला होता है delivery का, timeline meet करने का, चीज़ें time पे मिलने का, ना मिलने का, इस चीज़ों के ऊपर. So, एक तो how many times do you get people जो agency skip करके आपके पास आ रहे हैं, and how do you kind of cater to this mess?
Interesting.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
ज़्यादातर हमारे पास ऐसे ही आ रहे होते हैं इधर उधर से ठोकरें खा के.
हाँ.
So जब वो आते हैं, एक तो उनके दिमाग में ऑलरेडी ये चीज़ होती है कि okay, we're home, let's say, so we know we're at a good place. So automatically it becomes my duty to convince them what I feel like as a consumer. Let's say if they're selling a product, so me being a consumer, मैं उनको हमेशा वो वाला point of view बताती हूँ पहले. Except for being अच्छा मैं I'm from this agency, I'm a project manager, I'm going to look at your account. No, I'm the customer first. I buy your stuff. So मैं पहले उनको उस नज़रिए से अपनी चीज़ explain करती हूँ, and then automatically it gets very easier for them also because they also know कि okay, she's relating to the brand, she's very invested in it, she's very interested in this. So then जो पूरा process है वो काफ़ी easy हो जाता है हमारे लिए भी.
You do your homework before you meet them?
Always.
Yeah?
Always.
And you get excited about these brands?
Always.
Fantastic. Because there's
Yes.
no other way कि
Yes.
you can talk to anyone about it.
Agreed.
All right, go on, please.
I think that's that. So I always do the research in terms of the brand itself and their competitors also. So they know what I'm talking about. I know my stuff. So that really helps.
So how do you guys think that agency project management is different from working in other industries?
आई थिंक मैंने और बरीना ने भी इवेंट मैनेजमेंट में काम
Yeah.
किया. वी आर बोथ फ्रॉम द वी स्विच फ्रॉम द सेम फील्ड.
Really? You were also an event manager?
Yes.
Oh,
My mom still runs that.
no way.
thingy.
What is it called?
B events.
Come on, guys.
There's promotion right
Yeah.
there.
Is it like
Events.
birthday parties or
Birthday
as
parties.
well?
My own shadi was done by B events. So
Really?
yeah.
B from Barino.
Yes.
All right, not from
Even my parents are obsessed with me.
We are obsessed with you. How many times you guys feel that you're about to get fired from clients?
I haven't experienced it yet, as of yet.
You've never been
Alhamdulillah.
fired?
A few, one. Yeah.
But it wasn't like being fired. I think ये already एक understanding थी उस
Yeah.
specific client के साथ that we're only here for their launch, and then once we've launched it, then bye bye.
So you've never been fired?
Yeah.
I can talk about
I
this.
think you've been fired. We've been fired a bunch of times.
Yeah, we've been fired a bunch of times, and I think uske liye it's not that I'm not getting along with the client or you're not getting along with the client. It's just that the client might have a completely different route than us, and we always try to give our best, right?
Right.
Understand the client, उनसे हम brief fill कराते हैं, उस brief के against हम काम करते हैं, and everything that we give to them is from written briefs, and this is why we have written briefs. With a lot of clients, in my experience, I've seen that what they're writing down in the brief and what they're saying is two completely different things. And kabhi kabar ऐसा भी होता है कि they're saying the right thing and they're filling the brief out right, और फिर एकदम से वो स्विच अप हो जाते हैं पूरे काम के बाद कि ये तो हमने कभी कहा ही नहीं था, ये तो हमें चाहिए ही नहीं. सो वी हैव अ प्रॉपर कॉन्वर्सेशन, सिट डाउन विद द क्लाइंट, टेल देम कि ये हुआ था, दिस इज व्हाट वी टॉक्ड अबाउट, ये दिस वर द मीटिंग ऑफ द minutes of the meeting, sorry, and then this is the brief that came from you which is filled by you. उसमें आपने ये points accurately fill किए थे, उसके against मैंने आपको ये दिया है.
Sounds very toxic.
It
Yes.
does sometimes get.
How toxic does it get?
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna lie about this, but it does sometimes get really toxic, and I think more than toxic, it becomes like very stressful as a project manager to handle that sort of a situation, because you don't want to have a bad relationship with the client, because you don't want the client to fire you completely,
Or with the designer.
or with the designer, because they are your team that actually brings everything
And how
together.
successful are you at keeping the morale high?
75%. I, even in this situation or not, I always try to check in with the person, not the role. I think, yeah. So I think ये मेरा जो एक वो है
Right.
creatively उसको handle करने का वो ये है कि I always check in with the person, not the role. And I always try to celebrate the effort instead of the outcome. Of course, outcome is to be...
Right, but the effort has gone to waste, right?
Yes, but I still appreciate them so that उनका वो low ना हो जाए कि ओ हमने इतनी मेहनत की and it's all down the drain.
I wanted to ask you guys, is following up on money and retainers part of your project management?
Yes, that's the
Unfortunately,
worst
yes.
part. That's the worst part.
Yes, that's
So how is it your job and not an accountant's job?
It's both of our job, but उसको हम इस तरह से share करते हैं कि शुरू में, because I'm talking to the client, I know the client, मैं client से एक relationship already बना चुकी हूँ, and I know कि मैं अगर उस client से कहूँगी कि यार आपसे मेरी ये बात हुई थी कि 70% advance and then 30% when we're done with the project, right? So उनको भी ये बात समझ में आती है, मुझे भी ये बात समझ में आती है, और उनसे फॉलो अप करना भी बहुत ईजी हो जाता है, विच इज़ वाई इट फॉल्स इनटू अ प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर्स जॉब. बट आई थिंक आफ्टर अ सर्टेन टाइम व्हेन दे आर नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू यू और दे आर नॉट गिविंग दैट मनी एंड दे आर जस्ट सेइंग कि हाँ जी हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा, that's when you need to actually involve your account team into it, and then
Also use your relationships.
yes. And plus I think एक और चीज़ है कि what Barina and I have also decided, when the client is directly talking, we always talk.
Yeah.
We are the face. When their accounts team is talking, we always put our accounts team to the
Also, I'm really bothered with some clients कि अच्छा अब जैसे for example we have this process that we do your work and then we're going to give you like a weekly report or bi-weekly reports. So some people are coming up to me and they're saying आप हमें report ना दें और इसके इतने पैसे कम कर दें.
Really?
And I was so frustrated कि मैंने अभी last week एक client को बोला कि I'm बहुत of course polite way में कि ये मेरी सब्जी की दुकान नहीं है कि मैं 1 किलो कम कर दूंगी तो
सही बात है. This is,
and I'm like,
you were asking
I mean,
कि
what do I
मेरा
say?
चलो
मैंने
ये
कहा मतलब you don't want to know
आलू उठा
what-
के इधर रख देते हैं हम.
I'm like मैं क्या इस बंदे से बहस करूं? I'm like I'm sorry but this is not hapa vegetables. But
So I think that's also an interesting question, that how much do you think your personalities make up for you getting clients on board?
I think that really matters, because I think I've seen, even in the 3 years that I've been at Hapa, I've noticed a lot of project managers come and go, and what they
Right.
sort of lack is that personality to build with the client that relationship, that you say कि हाँ, this is a sweet spot where my client is not coming on top of me.
Yeah.
And neither is
And
he
not
running
pissed
away.
off.
हाँ.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I think वो personality होना ज़रूरी है, where you can be cheeky with the client, you can have fun conversations, you can have humorous conversations. And I think with most of my clients, मेरी bonding इसी तरह होती है.
हाँ, I mean, आपके बहुत अच्छे genuine relationships हैं
Yeah.
clients से. I don't know, Barina also looks like she's had good relationships. But
No, she has wonderful
But I mean,
relationships.
it makes everything so much easier
Yes.
if you have a good relationship, right?
Especially with the payments.
Huh. Yeah, for 100%.
I agree.
Bilkul. That's why. So yes, as project managers, I would love to ask this question, and this, let's make this as our final question. Do you guys prefer emails or WhatsApp groups?
Emails, please.
I agree.
But there's a lot of stuff you can't do as.
We can't. Because especially for social media, we're like speaking to the clients like 24/7, literally. No joke. So we can't really do emails. But we try कि हमारी
So for
majority.
social media, it's very different.
Yes. So it has to be WhatsApp anyway, unfortunately. But I would still prefer
I think
email.
I'll pick both. I think अगर आपको अपनी boundary set करना आए ना client के साथ, and you absolutely put a full stop and not reply to them at all after 6 o'clock. Like I've recently, within this year, started doing this, कि मैं 6 बजे के बाद reply ही नहीं करती. चाहे कोई मर रहा हो, मैं reply नहीं करती. I mean, that's a bad
I
thing.
go for emails. Why? Because I have this toxic behavior of replying foreign, which is always
Oh
yelling
no!
me.
So
Yes.
so WhatsApp's the worst for you.
Yes. So there's like, why
And
you
then
replying?
you have an endless conversation.
Yes. And I'm like stuck in the loop.
No,
then,
I'll
and
tell
then-
you something. It was Barina's first week,
Yeah.
and she was in the office till 8 o'clock.
Yes.
And उसका मेरे पास मैसेज आया कि सिद्रा
That's not so bad. 8 o'clock is in general
For me, it's very bad
agency
because
time.
I
not
like it.
around Pakistan.
General
you
agency-
guys are just lucky.
no general agency time. I agree.
Yeah.
But for Hapa, it feels a lot. ये 8 बजे तक ऑफिस में थी और इसका मेरे पास मैसेज आया कि सिद्रा ये मैंने प्रपोजल बनाया, आप इसको प्लीज एक दफा रन थ्रू कर लेती हैं. मैंने कहा ठीक है मैं कर लेती हूँ, लेकिन तुम
8
8 बजे
And
क्यों
she's
बना
like,
रही हो
why are you
प्रपोजल?
working, bro?
Do you have a temptation to check your WhatsApp message
Oh, yes.
late at night
Oh yes,
or your emails?
100%.
It's been the worst decision you've ever made, right?
Yes,
I'm
yes.
working on it. So that's
Unless
what
it's
I'm
a
saying.
good email. Unless they're saying like, hey, love that shit.
Yeah, you know
Yes.
what? Yes, those emails I look forward to. Even अगर वो रात के 1 बजे भी आएंगे, मैं उनका जवाब दे दूँ.
I mean, that's what we do, why we do, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We love taking wins, even the small ones.
That's
Yes,
it.
yes,
I think it's a
definitely.
great note to end this podcast. To great design, to great communication, to people who we love to work with.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Barina
Thank
and
you.
Sidra.
Thank
this
you
was fun.
for having
Yes.
us. Yes, this was absolutely fun. Yeah.